Have you ever seen a professional factory that produces plastic trash cans? Qingdao Huading provides exquisite workmanship and high-quality plastic trash cans of various specifications and styles. We have more than 80 injection molding machines and 18 blow molding machines to ensure production capacity, with an annual output of more than 5 million plastic trash cans. The sales area covers more than 30 countries and regions such as the United States, Canada, Chile, Brazil, Germany, Spain, Australia, Malaysia, India, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. Sales territory has been expanding. Our products have passed the ISO quality and environmental management system certification. We have a professional quality inspection team and testing equipment which can guarantee product quality. We provide complete after-sales service, including detailed product usage guides, guarantee periods, regular follow-up guidance, etc. We are not only a supplier of plastic trash cans but also a safety waste and recycling solution provider from China. We design products and provide solutions for customers, and the production volume of customized products is increasing year by year.